My name's Rhett Hallows. I work at Duke University, and I just got finished recording with the Revenax system, recording a hip approach. And it's really interesting, the system. I really think it's helpful to be able to get that VR perspective ultimately, and being able to view it in a virtual reality, to be able to get that first-person perspective, which I think is so much different than trying to go to courses or scrubbing into a case, or mostly just watching a case from the sidelines. Being able to be there in VR and looking at it through my perspective, and seeing it in real life through that view is really helpful, I think, for educational purposes, because you can really get something out to the masses with this. It's not really a one-on-one. You can really get a whole bunch of people there with this VR system and be able to teach say residents or fellows how to do a hip approach without ever being there in person. But I also think that it gives them that perspective so that when they're actually in person, it looks much more familiar to them.